Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel. I'm cryptobee, and you, my friend, you are on my crypto show, on my crypto journey. And today I have three amazing narratives that I have done some research to share with you guys, because if you believe we are still in a bear market after this bloody bath, after this dump, well, my friend, crypto convictions, we are coming back. And when we start to come back, you need to understand good narratives that I believe potentially can do very, very well for us. So I separate some tokens. I did some very nice research here that I would like to share with you. And I believe you're gonna enjoy very, very, very much. So with no more further ado, let's go to the intro. Let's get into the video.
1,000 to 100,000. Is that possible? Well, if it's possible, only in crypto.
Well, so here we are. As you can see here, RWAs, dipping and gaining. Those are the narrative that I believe will do well when things start to turn around, okay? So what are real world assets, RWAs? Well, real world assets are type of crypto tokens that represent physical items like real estate, bonds, commodities, and machinery. By bringing these tangible assets into the decentralized finance or the DeFi space, RWAs or real world assets make it easier for people to invest in and access these traditional hard to reach financial tools, expanding the use and potential. Guys, I believe that RWAs are one of those narratives that will explode. And one of the reasons is it's easy for the mass adoption. It's easy for other people also to jump into DeFi and to the crypto space, okay? So what are the benefits of RWAs? Tokenizing real-world assets offers many benefits. One major advantage is increased liquidity. Unlike traditional markets that have set hours, blockchain technology allows these tokens to be traded around the clock, giving people more flexibility 24/7. Additionally, the transparency of blockchain boosts investors' confidence and helps prevent fraud and ownership disputes. Tokenization also reduces costs related to asset management, such as paperwork, middlemen, and legal fees, making it easier and cheaper to invest compared to traditional financial markets. Those are just the beginning of benefits of RWAs. I really believe that this narrative can do very, very, very well, okay? So some of the coins that are doing well that you should be keeping your eyes on. One of them is Ondo. The price of Ondo at the moment, it's $1.19. In fact, let me just check here. Ondo is 95 cents. This is when I did the research. So now Ondo, because of the crash, is 95 cents with, let me share this here, with 1.3 billion in market cap, and the all-time high is $1.48. Okay, one thing to keep in mind if you use DeFi finance is that Ondo have some aspects that are familiar, such as earning yield, but also have other aspects that you would have to KYC to use their product, and the fact that they are focused on the regulatory compliance. Okay, I don't have problem with that, to be honest. This is a project that surely will be keeping my eyes on. My next project on RWAs is Canto. Okay, price at the moment of Canto, let me tell you, this is a research that I did before the crash. Canto now is at 7 cents, so no longer at 9, 7 cents, and the market cap went down to 43 million. Wow, so at a discount. All right, so all-time high was 76 cents. What is Canto? Canto is a layer 1 permissionless blockchain built with the Cosmos CDK and EVM compatible, and the focus on making DeFi more accessible and transparent with its free public infrastructure. And on this layer 1, there is 4 RWAs projects being built on. So one called 𝗪𝗪𝗻𝗪, all-in-one liquidity solution for stablecoin issuer, protocol, treasurer, and traditional entities. There's another one called Hashnode, regulated asset management with customizable digital and real-world asset exposure. There's another one called 𝗪𝗻, RWA issuer with focus on high-quality private credit deal with consistent returns. And another one called High Yield, real-world asset curated on-chain. Another one that I would like to mention here that I didn't is actually Mantra. Okay, Mantra at the moment is at 93 cents. The Mantra is a security-first RWA layer 1 blockchain capable of add and reinforcement of a real-world regulatory requirement. Built for institutions and developers, Mantra offers a permissionless blockchain for permissioned applications. The key features of Mantra is built using Cosmos SDK, IBC compatible with Cosmos WASM supported, security via a sovereign POS validator set, scalable up to 10k TPS, built-in modules, SDKs, and APIs to create, trade, and manage regulatory compliance RWAs, improved user experience to onboard non-native users and institutions to Web3. So this is another project that I really think is very, very nice, called Mantra, and the ticker for the token is OM. Okay. Next narrative would be deeping. So CryptoB, what's a deeping? Deeping stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network. It refers to using blockchain technology to share, control, and ownership of physical things in the real world, like data network, transportation, or power grids. Usually, big companies own and manage this infrastructure. Deeping aims to change this by allowing individuals to add their own resource and share control of the network with others, creating a peer-to-peer system. That's very amazing. For the same thing that I said before for RWAs, I believe this narrative have the power to bring mass adoption to crypto. So what are the benefits behind this? Well, deeping allows facilities to grow more flexible by decentralizing infrastructure, much like DeFi does for the financial system. Instead of corporation controlling everything, individuals contribute their resource to build and manage the facilities together. Deeping pricing is different from traditional finance, and it's expected to be cheaper and fair, avoiding the inflated price often seen with centralized institutions. Deeping networks are cost efficient, require little to no cost to set up, and anyone can contribute their resource. Users can access service provided by Deeping project as long as the providers have the necessary infrastructure. And projects for you to keep your eyes on. The first one is Mobile, is the ticker, okay, from 𝗪𝗻𝗪𝗫, market cap of 186 million, all-time high of 207. 𝗪𝗻𝗪𝗫 is a wireless phone service that uses the decentralized Helium network powered by cryptocurrencies. This allows people to create and manage mobile network, get rewarded with the token Mobile. It operates on the Solana blockchain and uses T-Mobile's strong 5G network to provide reliable cell phone service. Subscribers to 𝗪𝗻𝗪𝗫 can earn crypto tokens every time they use their phone, combining blockchain technology with mobile communication. Another project that I believe can do very well is 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪. The ticker is Honey, priced at 5 cents, market cap for 100 million, and all-time high was 37 cents. 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 is a new way to build maps of the world, just like Google Maps. The project is called 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 because it's like a beehive. Just like bees collect nectar to make honey, thousands of people use dashcams to take pictures while they are driving to create maps. By working together, the community creates a detailed and up-to-date map of the world, and everyone benefits from this shared effort. You can see the current state of the map on the website called 𝗪𝗻 Explorer. So this is what you can see here is the 𝗪𝗻 Explorer. And those in, let me open this here. Those in pink are places that have been mapped by all the users using the 𝗪𝗻. Okay, so you can get all the informations over here called the 𝗪𝗻 Explored. Okay, and my last narrative is gaming. What is GameFi? GameFi combines elements of decentralized finance and online gaming to create blockchain-powered play-to-earn games. This allows players to earn crypto tokens while playing the games. GameFi blends online gaming with decentralized finance to create an in-game economy. The concept of playing to earn, or P2E, lets players earn digital assets and rare items through in-game activities. The gaming industry is already worth billions of dollars, and it's expected to grow to over 38 billion by 2028. So, my friends, if you are here now, you are early. There is potential for the industry to exceed $100 billion, supporting the growth of DeFi, NFTs, the metaverse, and much more. So what are the benefits of GameFi? Well, earning potential, the most obvious benefit is the ability to earn money through gaming crypto tokens. Okay, that's amazing. Economic opportunities, the game-based economic model, which uses blockchain and cryptocurrency, allowed users to earn money with just an internet connection. This can create new employment opportunities and help address unemployment and economic challenge. Investment potential. Interest in crypto games is at all-time high, attracting investors to this field. This has led many games studios to develop new play-to-earn games. Which kind of project and token are we keeping our eyes on? One of them is Honeyland. Price of Honeyland at the moment, it's at 3 cents, market cap 11 million, and all-time high was 34 cents. Honeyland is a free-to-play for as long as you like. Once you download the Honeyland app, you will be given a start hive, which includes one Gen Z queen and set a Gen Z bees. Our lightning fast staking contract revolutionized the game, allowing you to effortless stake or unstake up to 10 collectible in under 2 seconds. So this actually is free to play, and probably you will start to earn some money there as well, but you already get some token if you like, okay? If you believe this project will succeed. Also, we have Beam. Beam is 1 cent, market cap of 913 million, all-time high of 4 cents, TVL 3.59 million. The Beam token is the native cryptocurrency for the Beam network, a gaming network powered by 𝗪𝘁𝗫𝗲. Beam bring together gamers and developers to shape the future of gaming. Key points about Beam. Beam SDK, a flexible software development kit that offers a variety of tools for game developers to incorporate blockchain elements in the game. Usage. Beam is needed to interact with the Beam network, covering transactions and interactions with smart contracts, ensuring a seamless gaming experience. And governance. Beam also plays a crucial role in the governance of the 𝗪𝘁𝗫𝗲, allowing token holders to participate in decision-making process within the decentralized organization. Launched in early 2021, the 𝗪𝘁𝗫𝗲 aims to revolutionize the game industry, with Beam at the core of its operation and governance. So these are my top 3 narratives for you guys. So you learn about the narrative, what the narrative is about, the benefits that the narrative can bring to you, and some projects that you can keep your eyes on and potentially get some exponential gains if you get in early. So if you like this kind of deep dive into a narrative or to a project, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, become part of the family here, and help me to grow my community, because like this, encourage me to do even more research and bring to you the best of what I can find out there. Okay, be safe out there. The market, I see a lot of great opportunities to jump in the market, and I'll catch you on my next video, or maybe on my next streaming. Ciao.